Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve mobile SEO with Google Search Console, detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve mobile SEO using Google Search Console, start by signing into your Google Search Console account. Navigate to the property for your website to access its dashboard. Click on the Mobile Usability report located under the Experience section. Review the list of issues affecting your mobile site's usability. Fix any issues, such as text that is too small, clickable elements too close together, or content wider than the screen. Next, ensure your website is mobile-friendly by testing it with the Mobile-Friendly Test tool. Input your website URL and analyze the results. Make the necessary adjustments based on the feedback provided. Return to the Google Search Console dashboard and check the performance report. Filter the performance metrics by selecting mobile devices. Analyze the average position, clicks, and impressions specific to mobile traffic. Identify the keywords that are driving traffic and focus on optimizing these pages. Check the coverage report to identify any indexing issues that may impact mobile users. Resolve any errors indicated, particularly those related to mobile pages. Next, implement structured data to enhance your mobile site's search presence. Utilize the Rich Results Test tool to verify your structured data implementation. Monitor your website's mobile performance regularly in Google Search Console. Make adjustments based on ongoing data and reports from Google Search Console. Consider optimizing page speed, as it is crucial for mobile SEO success. Use tools like PageSpeed Insights to analyze and improve loading times. Optimize images and reduce server response times to enhance performance. Lastly, keep up with Google's updates regarding mobile search algorithms and best practices. Continuously refine your mobile SEO strategy based on the data and insights gathered. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.